Hey, what's up, guys? So today I'm going to show you, I installed some LED, plug and play LED headlights. They're the ones that look exactly like the regular bulbs you would buy for the Ram Promaster that plug in and have that little clip. They look exactly like that. So this is what the box looks like. I've already installed them on the they're called Auten's LED headlight bulbs. Kit 1. They're made in China. They're the they're H7. H7s on here. H7. Let me start the van and I'll show you what they look like here. Yep, these are gonna flash on camera, but in real life, like to the naked eye, they do not do that. But these things are bright and they work awesome. All I'm gonna have to do is change the headlight. They're the high beams on this bulb and the other one on the other side. So yeah, so that's what these look like. And yes, they're gonna flash on camera, but like I said, real life you don't notice it, and they work awesome. So there you go, man. If you have a Ram Promaster 1500, 2500, 3500, you keep popping bulbs, pick yourself up some of these, do yourself a favor. Work great so far. If I ever run into problems with them, I'll do an update video. Catch you guys on the next one. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up. If you enjoy my content, it'd be tremendous if you could sub. And if you're not a Trump fan, you can be like, hey man, give me a sub. I'll do the Joe Biden, almost said Joe Rogan. Joe Biden, I'll do the Biden, hey man. So give me a sub, I'd really appreciate it. And like the video, share it with others, all that rigmarole. It helps out with the YouTube, whatever, algorithm, which I don't understand. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate every single one of you. And we'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye for now, and I'm out.